Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be taking you through the process of using your smartphone to create a YouTube channel banner. So I would like to show you what a YouTube channel banner is all about. If you take a look at my YouTube channel, you can see that my banner is Unique Coach Joseph, dominating the world of tech and money making. Subscribe for weekly videos. This is your banner. This is the way your banner is going to look. So, and the app that you're going to be using to create this design is what we call Canva. So if you don't have Canva on your phone, you can go ahead to Play Store and download Canva. You just go ahead and you search for Canva. Canva, Canva. So you go ahead and you install it. I already installed it, so I just go ahead and I open it. So guys, all you just want to do is just want to search for YouTube channel art. So you click on the search bar and you type YouTube channel art. And you go ahead and you search it. So as you can see, guys, Canva has given us some template that we can work with, and it has designed it to be very good looking and very nice. So all we just want to do is just to change little thing about it, then you are good to go. So guys, I'll just go ahead and click this one. You can just choose anyone, so I just go ahead and I'll choose this particular one here, so we can edit it and use it as our YouTube channel banner. So guys, as you can see the template, all we want to do now is just to change little thing about it, the text and everything. So this template has been perfectly made. If you want to design this, you can just go ahead and input your name and all this that is here, and you can go ahead and upload it. But I'm going to be showing you, because of your brand channel color, you are going to be using a solid background. So all this, we are just going to delete it and create ours from start. So we delete all of this. We go ahead and you delete all of this. You click on delete, you click on the element, you click on delete, you click on everything, and you just go ahead and you delete it. You can delete the group, delete everything. Then we go ahead and we start designing from scratch. So you go ahead and you click on this plus button to give you some options that you want to use. So you go ahead and scroll to text by sliding, and you go ahead and you click on text. So once you click on text, you just want to choose the bigger one first, then you choose the other one, which is the middle one, and you click on the last one, which is the smallest. So these are the ones that you are going to be using for your YouTube channel banner. So you click on add the header, which is the biggest. So I can write there Unique Coach Joseph, Unique Coach Joseph, and I go ahead and I pick the second one. So I go ahead and I click on the plus button to take the second and the middle header. So I just click on it, and all I want to write there is dominating the world of tech and money making. The world of tech and money making. So I go ahead and I increase this. To make sure that it is on just a line, just a sentence. I don't want it to be two, I will just it to be just one. So I just go ahead and I'll move it. So I go ahead and I'll move it. I can move it about. So I just take the last one, the last header, and I click on plus. And I click on the last header, which is the little one. Then I go ahead and write subscribe for my weekly videos, or ordinary subscribe for my weekly videos. So I go ahead and I edit this. I can go ahead and increase it if it's necessary, but here I'm just gonna reduce it to make sure that it's all in the middle. I go ahead and reduce dominating the word of text as well, and I make sure it's in the middle. I can use the navigation button to move it. So I just move the subscribe for my weekly videos as well. So now I just go ahead and make sure everything is at the middle. Everything is not yet at the middle, so I'll make sure all is at the middle. So I just move the last one as well. And all I want to do next is I want to change the colors to my brand colors. So I go ahead and I click on this. And if you remember, guys, we chose some brand colors. The video should be somewhere around this video, so just go ahead and watch it to get a full knowledge of what a brand channel is all about, and how you can choose a brand color for your YouTube channel. So once you are successfully getting those codes, you go back to this place and you go ahead and you input the code. So guys, once you have successfully done that, all we just want to do next is our brand colors. So I go back to where I copied the brand colors, and I just copy it and I paste it here to display the brand colors. So I just go ahead and I click on this. I'm just gonna choose amber. So I just copy those codes. I just copy it and I go back to my design. So guys, with the code that you copied, you just go ahead and you click on the text that you want to change. You just go ahead and you click on color. So you just go ahead and click on this plus sign here, and where this code hash is 0000, you go ahead and you paste the code here. Once I pasted the code, guys, as you can see, the text has changed. So guys, all you just want to do next is just to click the second sentence, and you just go ahead and copy the code again. Then you go back to your code palette and you copy the code again. So you go ahead and you paste it again, and that's how you are gonna do it until you get your brand channel color. So I go ahead and I copy the orange, and I'll return back to my design. So I go ahead and I paste the color palette that I copied. So I just go ahead and I click on the text and I just scroll to the color. So I just click on the color and I click on the plus sign, and then go ahead and I paste the color palette code. So I click on the plus and I go ahead and I click on the code right here, and I just paste my own, and I just go ahead and paste it. I go ahead and do the same to, I click on the color, and I just go ahead and I paste the same color. So I click on the plus sign, and I just go ahead and I copy and I paste my code. And my code is done, and I just go ahead and I click on the last one, and I do the same for the last one, and I go ahead and I change my background, and our design is good to go. And I click on the subscribe for weekly videos, and I go ahead and change that as well. I click on the color, then I go back to my design. I click on the plus sign, and I go back to my design, and I copy the last code. So I just go ahead and I click on red orange, and I go ahead and I copy red orange. So I go ahead and I copy that, and I go back to my design and paste what I just copied. So I go ahead and I clear this off. I go ahead and I clear this, and I paste what I have right here in my hand. Right here, I just go ahead and I paste it. And now our design is up. So all I just want to do next is I want to change the background to my final color, which is kind of black. So I just go ahead and I click on the color again, and I click on the plus sign, and I go back to my design, and I click on the last color which I'm going to use as my background, which is black. And I just go ahead and I copy this. I just go back to my design. I just go ahead and I paste what I copied. I can go ahead and clear this first. So as you can see, guys, this is our brand channel colors. All I just want to do next is I want to rearrange them. I want to move them properly. I can go to the navigation button. So I click on notch, guys. So I go ahead and I move it up a little. I click on the subscribe. I move that up a little as well. And I go ahead and I download my design. So guys, once you are done with your design, you just go ahead and click on this button at the right hand corner of your phone that's showing arrow up. You go ahead and you click it. Then you click on download. So you wait for it while you save it PNG. So you go ahead and you click on download. So you wait for it while it downloads. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to go back to our YouTube. So we will go ahead and search youtube.com. So we go ahead and we search it. So guys, once you successfully search youtube.com, so once you successfully click on your profile, you just go ahead and you click on your channel. So you click on your channel. If you do that, it's going to give you an opportunity to view your channel in the desktop mode. You just go ahead and you click customize channel. So once you have successfully clicked that, it will say continue to studio. So you go ahead and you click on continue to studio. So guys, what you just want to do is just to click on the customize button. Once you successfully click on the customize button, you will see layout, branding and basic information. You go ahead and you click on branding. So you go ahead and you click on this picture right here. It says picture, it says banner image, it says watermark. So you click on change. So once you successfully click on change, you go ahead and you upload the image. So you go ahead and you click on save, but you make sure all these tests as they are showing, you go ahead and click on done. So once you have successfully done that, you just click on publish and you have successfully saved your banner. So guys, this is the way that you are going to be uploading your banner whenever you want to do it, even without a laptop. So I'll see you right in the next video, guys.